Good morning, students. Today we will going to start our next topic, asteroids. So now let us see what are these asteroids. And students, now we know about the sun. We know about the planets now. We know about the Earth and Moon now. So let us come to the next part, that is asteroids. So what are the asteroids? Are you much very surprised about that asteroids? We have seen it. Yes, we have seen it many times. What is the asteroid belt? Yes, this is our asteroid belt. And what are they? You know, there are many theories how these planets are created. An asteroid is very tiny body. Even some geologists claim that these asteroids are nothing, but they are the part of the planets, broken parts of the planets, and they are also move around the sun. And on the same time, all these planets are orbiting the sun. What I have told you earlier, students, we have a asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and that is actually, we can say, the dividing line between inner planets and outer planets, and they are small in size, not like the planets, but much smaller in size. They are broken parts of the planets. These asteroids are revolving around the sun as a planets, and the largest one of the asteroids till now, whatever we got an information, the name is Ceres, Ceres, Ceres. Scientists are of the views of asteroid as the part of the planet. Maybe they created many years back. Some parts of these planets come out and make this belt. So next we are So next we are coming to our meteoroids. They are smaller than asteroids also, and many of times you have seen them. Will you believe me? Yes, you have remember of the shooting stars. Maybe your grandmother told you that close your eyes and pray to the shooting stars, and wish will be fulfilled. So they are nothing but meteoroids. कुछ भी नहीं होती है विश वगैरह, ये हमारे क्या होते हैं, ये और कुछ नहीं है, ये हमारे सारे क्या होते हैं, शूटिंग स्टार मेट्रॉइड्स होते हैं. सो मेट्रॉइड्स आर द स्मॉल रॉक्स दोज हु आर मूविंग इन द सोलर सिस्टम. Even the time when they are coming nearby any of the planet, even this planet have their planet have their gravitational pull, and due to the gravitational pull of the planets, these meteoroids, they are coming in our sky, and whenever in the sky they are coming and have oxygen, and oxygen have a feature that have anything to burn. So whenever they are entering in our earth, this oxygen is preventing them to enter, and the moment they got fired, and we see that some stars is coming down. We call it as shooting stars. We see it is burning and it is coming down. Clear? Yes, so it's clear what is our asteroids and what are our meteoroids. So, and our next and last topic is galaxy. So do you see whitish broadband in night sky? Sometimes it is a new moon night. You observe white. Even the telescope, you will see a broad band, and it is actually formed by millions of stars. And these we know that Milky Way galaxy. This Milky Way in the sky, in the solar system, is the part of this Milky Way galaxy. Or we don't believe in our universe. There are millions of galaxies. I don't know even what is the number. What is the number, and we have no idea how many galaxies in the universe. We have just tiny particles. If you consider, ask in this way, solar system is nothing but a very small is tiny part of this Milky Way galaxy. And many millions of stars, they form this galaxy. And in ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. So thus it was named Akash Ganga. And we are the part of Milky Way or Akash Ganga galaxy. So students, what is galaxy? Once more, galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and planets and their system. Our sun has only the planet we have seen, right? And these all together make a huge galaxy. And our own galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. So this is, yes students, so this is your first chapter, the earth and the solar system. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.